If f of x equals the square root of 2x minus 10, determine the domain of f. So to determine the domain, what we're interested in is that this expression 2x minus 10 must be non-negative, so that we're taking the square root of a non-negative number. In other words, 2x minus 10 must be greater than or equal to 0. Adding 10 to both sides, we have 2x is greater than or equal to 10. And dividing both sides by 2, we have x is greater than or equal to 5. So we write the domain of f is, in set builder notation, x such that x is greater than or equal to 5, or in interval notation, we write from 5 through infinity.